What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, I haven't brought a call to you guys in quite some time. I wanted to bring a position that I believe is going to make a move in the short term, and you might see something really, really big with this position. And we have seen big movements in the past, and I think we're going to see a bigger movement and maybe a point to where it does surpass these levels. But I want to talk to you about a good time to buy and a good time to sell within this position and how much you could possibly make by getting into this position. So, before we get into it, make sure you guys hit the like button, also hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one. There is something in my eye and it's bothering me. It seems like every day I have something. It's probably like cat dander or something. But nevertheless, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. One of those links being for crypto.com. If you guys want a free $25, sign up for that platform, stake 400, at least 400, get the Ruby Red card, or you can go the 4,000 route. If you stake $4,000, you get upgraded benefits, a higher staking percentage of CRO, and you can stake some of these other positions that you may hold right now. So if you're holding it for a long time, get your 2 to 3% return or APY on that position. So definitely check out that link down below. It'll be like the second link in the description. First link will be for the Discord group if you guys want to join that. But anyways, the position that I'm talking about today is Cosmos Atom. ATOM. Now, this position is something that I looked at in the past. I did make money from in the past. I made money twice from this position. Went from a level of 26 all the way up to 44, then decreased down to about 20 something, I think 26 again or 27, and increased to about 44 again. So you had a double top scenario, which created a large decrease. And obviously, we did see that recently. And now we're starting to see a very low price here that makes me think that it's another buy opportunity. And it's something where third time's a charm, even though first time and second time worked. Third time will work, again, in my opinion. So make sure you guys, again, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. But let's go ahead and dive into the chart here. So we see here that Cosmos is currently at $23.70. It's down about 2% today. Earlier today, I said it was a buy opportunity at 24. Even though it would go down or decrease on you, it's okay that you would see something decrease like this. I'm okay with it being at 24. I'm okay with it being at 23. And it's something that you do have a short-term position out of it. So something that may happen in the next 1 to 2 months, and you being able to gain a decent amount out of staking it. Now, there's two options for gaining money, right? You can gain by seeing this price increase to about 44, which would be a point to where it gains $20 per coin that you hold, and then also seeing a return by an APY. Now, this is stakeable on so many different places. You can stake it on Coinbase, you can stake it on crypto.com, you can stake it in the DeFi wallet, you can stake it in a lot of other places, and you'll get a decent sized return. But I'm seeing the best return that I could possibly see within the DeFi wallet. And I'm not going to show you that because I would have to go into my phone to show you, but I can tell you exactly what that is. But first, let's get into what this is all about. So again, it's at $23.59. I'm going to be making a purchase into this today, and then also making another purchase into this probably tomorrow, and being comfortable paying any type of fees that I pay. Because I'm going to have to use a credit card in order to do it, or a debit card in order to do it. Most people know my banking issues, that my bank is basically blacklisted with everything, and it freaking sucks. But anyways, the volume is up by 5%. The market cap is down. It's at a $6.7 billion market cap, and we've seen this as high as let's actually go back here and let's go to market cap. We've seen this as high as a $7 billion market cap, right? We've seen this pretty high on the list, right? Or $7 billion market cap, closer to $10 billion. And now you're seeing it at a level to where it's at a $6.7 billion market cap. And this may be wrong. I just don't know what's going on here, because a $7 billion market cap is not too far away from here. And if you were going to see this price double, you would see this double up to a like $12 billion market cap. Oh, you know what? This is only looking at recent history. So let's go ahead and look at all history here. We've seen this as high as a 10 billion or $11 billion market cap, which makes sense because it's close to basically doubling in price, and that totally makes sense there. But we're going to see here in circulation, you have 286 million coin supply, which is not crazy. You do see the movement here and how it creates higher highs, higher lows, and it looks like it creates that higher high, higher low scenario here. And previous highs, when you look back in 2021, you see that at a level where it was at a $6 billion market cap. It increases some highs over here, was at a $9 billion market cap. Some highs over here was at $11 billion market cap. But you can see here that what they have done, right, because you're seeing a higher market cap with the same amount, they have been adding some supply to it. So you will see supply that's being added to it. You can see the movement, and you can see the positive movement that we are seeing here. I guess the problem that we are seeing is there may be a little bit of dilution that's going into the position, and that's never really a good thing. But it's not as much dilution than you really need to worry about, that I feel like you need to worry about. So usually when they offer higher percentages, it's because they have some form of dilution that they have to make up for. But I think the dilution won't be like, it's not completely over, but I think the dilution won't be as heavy as it was before. So what's good is you get the 17%, which that's the percentage that's over on the DeFi wallet, 17%. And I can give you a little bit more detail to show you exactly, or to tell you exactly what it is. But Cosmos is going to be able to give you a lot out of this position. So let me go ahead and just log into this really quick and give you guys an understanding of exactly how much you end up gaining from Cosmos through the DeFi wallet. Because I currently have a couple of things staked over there, and it seems to go pretty well. So while that's loading, let's go ahead and look at crypto earn, just to see what you can earn on the on this side of things. So if you're earning 5%, you can end up staking it at 5% over here on the crypto.com platform. And you stake it for 3 months if you're holding $40,000, or you're holding $4,000 staked worth of CRO. And you can gain about $5 every week with Atom, which is an extra $5 that you didn't gain in any other scenario. This is taking too long to open up. But if it doesn't actually open up, I'll let you know that it is 17%. And now I'm seeing it here. So it's 16.99% that you're going to end up getting paid through the DeFi wallet, through crypto.com. So if you guys want to join that, definitely join that. But here, you can also gain 5%, or if you don't want to stake anything, let's say 400 or less, you'll still gain 4%, which is $4 that you'll gain every single week with Atom, as well as the price increasing by $20, in my opinion. So I don't know about you guys. I think this is definitely a position that you need to look heavier into. But it's something that is a heavy stake position that I've staked in the past, that I've made money from in the past, and I see it as a buying opportunity right now. And I do see it as something that will run to a higher price point. So you let me know what you're thinking. Are you seeing the same thing? Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Definitely check out a lot of the detail over here. Do your own research. I'm not a person that should be giving you advice on anything. It's never advice. It's always just pointing something out. And if you guys want to go and check it out, then go and check it out and make your own decision. So again, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.